Guys, I'm back, and so am I. So, in the last part we did Mammoth, and now we're gonna do Toe Jammer. So let's begin with Toe Jammer. 10 out of 10. Bro, that's 10 out of 10. Why is it repeating? Where'd the WAP go? 1 out of 10. Yeah, 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10, 1 out of 10. Wow! 20 out of 10. Yeah, 20 out of 10. Okay, he's welcoming him. Yeah, that was good. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10. It's like he's fighting. He's fighting. That was 0. Okay. -1. Yeah, -1. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Ooh. That is what it is. Yeah. That was 10 out of 10. He's sleepy. 100 out of 10. Yeah, 100. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do pork belly. Hold on, let me just mark this guy done. So I need to mark Toe Jammer done. So that wasn't even that short. Let me see. That was 2 minutes. Wow. So actually, I think we are going to do pork belly tomorrow, and then Noggin after pork belly. So have a good spring break if you're on spring break like me.